Ladies and gentlemen, everybody has a different passion and quality inside him. So, work with it. You need to work towards your passion. If you won't work towards your passion, how will you going to be succeed in your life? See, a lot of people have different opinions. A lot of people will share different opinions to you, but you need to work for yourself. A lot of people will tell you that do not take this, do not take that. See, I know that India is facing a lot of issues, but you have to follow your passion, because until and unless you are not following your passion, how will you going to succeed? How will you going to make your life better than others? If you want to be the 1% of that person, then you have to choose a different path. You need to choose a different path. My teacher told me once that if you choose a different path, a lot of people will not agree with you, a lot of people will not support you when you're starting, and when you are near to success, a lot of people will come to help you, because you are near to success. You have achieved a lot of things in your life. So my suggestion is that try to focus on your goal. A lot of people do not focus in their passion, because everybody has a quality in themselves. They need to understand what they can do. Someone can make good videos on YouTube, someone is a good social media marketer, someone is a good social media influencer, someone is something in their life, but a lot of people will judge you, but a lot of people will take you into the wrong direction. So do not follow the wrong direction, follow the right direction in your life. If you follow the right direction in your life, you will be the right person. And for following the right direction in your life, you need to listen yourself. You need to understand that what exactly you want to do. Suppose if you want to make a YouTube channel, so you need to work on your channel, you need to make videos, you need to create videos, you need to wait for the time, and you will be succeed. So what I mean to tell is that you need to wait for the time, you need to work on yourself, you need to take required advice from everyone, you need to make a network. The most important point, you need to make a network with like-minded people, and you can make a network with like-minded people. You just need to work out, you just need to find out how will you going to make. You must think that how will I going to think. It is not about what to think, it is about how to think. Most of the schools do not teach students how to think, they teach students what to think. Our education system is a colonization education system. They're colonizing it. It's about the British education system, and the old British education system is about colonization, and the colonization education system is somehow and system where students are not free to share their opinions, but teachers are free to share their opinions, but anyhow the students are not able to share their opinions, where students are bound to do and bound to obey all the rules. The students are not even allowed to think creative. So my suggestion is, be think out of the box. If you had any kind of imagination in your mind, just think it, because nobody will going to stop you, because the world is somehow focusing on themselves, not you. So you are something else. So consider you that you are yourself. You need to focus on yourself, you need to learn by yourself. Whatever you want to do in your life, just do by yourself. Be an independent person, be a lonely person, because being socially is good, but you will be not getting friends for lifetime. So you need to be independent. That is the important thing in life. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this video, and I hope that you have watched the full video. My last point is that make sure you work for yourself.